Are you stuck logged into Discord on a shared computer and can't find the logout button? I'll show you exactly where it is. It's one of those things that feels like it should be obvious, but Discord hides it just deep enough to be frustrating, especially when you're on a public machine or a friend's laptop and you just need to get out securely. It's just 3 clicks. First, open User Settings, then scroll down and confirm Logout. Let's go. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Doesn't matter if you're using the desktop app or the web version in your browser, the process is identical. You're going to look at the very bottom of the screen. See your username and your profile picture down there in the bottom left corner? Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. That's your User Settings button. It's easy to miss because it's tiny and tucked away down there by itself. So just move your mouse down to that bottom left area and click that gear. Now you're in User Settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a long list of options. Things like My Account, Privacy and Safety, Authorized Apps. It's a lot of stuff. But we're not here to change any of those. We just want to get out. So from right where you are, start scrolling down that left sidebar. Keep scrolling past all the categories until you reach the very bottom. And here's the really important part. When you get to the bottom of that list, you'll see a red button that says Log Out. It's the only red button on the whole sidebar, so it stands out once you know where to look. Click that. A pop-up window will appear asking if you're sure. It says, "Are you sure you want to log out?" with a couple of options. Don't just close the window. Click the red Log Out button again to confirm. This second confirmation is Discord's way of making sure you didn't accidentally hit the first button. So go ahead and click it. After you confirm, Discord will take you straight to the login screen. You'll see the familiar Discord logo and the fields for your email and password. This is your confirmation that you're fully logged out and your account is safe on that computer. If someone else sits down at that machine, they won't have access to your messages or your servers. And that's it. From stuck to signed out in about 10 seconds. Now you know exactly where to look. So next time you're on a shared computer, you can get logged out with confidence.